Hi, Ganesh here from G-Acoustics. I'm right now at Infocom Asia at Bangkok, Thailand. This video is going to focus on the video conferencing system related to acoustics. In the last couple of days, when I met few brands who are very popular in video conferencing system, they had expressed their concern over the acoustic issue that is tarnishing the performances of their products. We have observed that acoustics has never been part of audiovisual because it's always considered as part of architecture or interior design, and that's where there is a disconnect between the audiovisual and the acoustics. I'm going to explain the significance of the acoustics in the video conferencing system. As you all know, it has microphone, and for the video they have the cameras, the associated digital signal processing equipments and other things. All the brands have a ceiling mounted microphone which are very sensitive in picking the noise as per an XY coordinate within the room. Now, why this information is required? Because in the video conferencing system, the cameras has to point at the person who is talking based on the feedback that they get from the audio system connected to the microphone. Most of the commercial buildings, offices having meeting rooms are unfortunately surrounded with glasses and reflective surfaces, which makes the room not suitable for a video conferencing system. Why is that? Because there is too much of reflections inside the room. In acoustics, I've explained earlier something called as reverberation time. RT60 is a measurement that we do for any rooms, including the meeting rooms, to see what is the reverberation time. When the room is very echoey, the camera gets a signal from the microphone and it starts searching where the person is by the time the person has finished talking. But the problem is, if acoustics is not proper, even the best AV electronics is not going to perform well in that room. It is very important that acoustics of a room should be proper for the video conferencing system to work effectively well. Thanks for watching.